Okay, let's complete our work on cover-up method to resolve partial fraction. We are still on the non-repeated linear factor at the denominator. So I'm going to split this into two terms. I have x plus 2 and x minus 1. So I will have a x plus 2, then b over x minus 1. Now because I'm using cover-up method, I want to look for the value of a. I will multiply the left-hand side and the right-hand side by the denominator of a. Remember, x plus 2, denominator of a, I will equate it to 0, so my x will be minus 2. So I'm going to multiply everything here on the right-hand side by x plus 2, the denominator of a. So I'm going to have 3x minus 6, and then x plus 2, multiplied by x plus 2, and then x minus 1. Then I'll be having a x plus 2, multiply x plus 2, and then plus b x plus 2, and then x minus 1. So this, we take this down, this, we take this down. Now watch, if I plug in minus 2 here, this will be minus 2 plus 2. So the whole of this collapse to be 0. So my a will now be equals to 3x minus 6 divided by x minus 1. And then take note that my x is minus 2. So I will have 3 bracket minus 2 minus 6, and then minus 2 minus 1. So I'm going to have a minus 12 divided by minus 3, and that is 4. Therefore, my a equals 4. So I will repeat the same process to get my b. Now to get my b, I'll multiply the left-hand side and the right-hand side by x minus 1. So take note that my x minus 1 will be equals to 0, so my x will be equals to 1. So this will imply that I will have 3x minus 6 multiplied by x minus 1 divided by x plus 2, and then x minus 1. Then I'll have my a, x minus 1, x plus 2, then plus my b, x minus 1, and then x minus 1. So this will bring this down. Now take note, if I take my a and plug in here, I'll have 1 minus 1, which is 0. So the whole of this will go down as 0. So my b now, this one, take this one down. So my b now will be equals to 3x minus 6 divided by x plus 2. 3x minus 6 divided by x plus 2. Now take note, my x is 1. So I'm going to have 3 bracket 1 minus 6 divided by 1 plus 2. So this is going to give me minus 3 divided by 3, which is equals to minus 1. So my b is minus 1 and my a is 4. So if I now bring it back to the fraction that has 3x minus 6 over x plus 2 and then x minus 1, my a is 4. So I'll be having 4x plus 2. Then minus 1 is for b, so now I have minus here over x minus 1. So this is how to resolve partial fraction using cover-up method, but this works mainly for non-repeated linear factors at the denominator. Please follow our YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our social media account,